It's a 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan. Sophistication, space, and common sense are the essence of this adaptable utility vehicle. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, doors and push button start proximity key, external memory control, aluminum wheels, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports crash test results for the Tiguan have been excellent, and Volkswagen continues to offer a few more safety features than you'd typically expect to see in a small crossover. Volkswagen, where safety and performance come standard. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call, click, or stop into Napleton's Volkswagen of Sanford today. We're conveniently located at 4175 South Orlando Drive in beautiful Sanford. We look forward to serving you.